Hello, my name is Aleko Samblanet, and the app I created is a game called Solo Flying VR. If you can't tell by the name, this app is virtual reality capable. My app's purpose is to add to the small collection of free VR games, as well as be a video game that is fun to play for everyone. My target audience is anyone who likes to play games in VR or not. As you can see on the screen, this is Unity 3D. It is what I used to create my game. Here you can see the world and colliders for the plane. Here are the scripts that I made for my game. They are all in C#. This is the player controller script. It's my longest one and is 183 lines long. This is my HUD script. This is my orbs game script. This is my pause menu script. And this is my main menu script. Now, when I hit play, all the menus that you interact with will not be in VR. Here, you can look at the controls for the game. And now we can hit play. What you can see in the top right is my VR view. And now I can press O on the keyboard to reset my orientation so that I'm facing the way that the plane is facing. I can press Shift to increase the throttle and to gain speed. And I can look at the mini-map for direction. Now, if I hit P to pause the game, in VR I can't access the menu, but in the bottom left you can see the non-VR menu. I can go to options and mess with various different options. If I turn on game times, then you can see in the top right I now have a list of times. You don't see anything right now because I haven't completed the course yet. The course is just collecting all of these orbs. For the sake of time, I won't be showing you the full course, but this is the general idea. You can just fly into them and collect them by running into them. And that is all for my video. Thank you for watching.